Hey friends, this is chicken soup or chicken kadu in chamorro. It's a tasty recipe that you'll want to make over and over, especially during this unpredictable cold and flu season. And if you can't already tell, I do have a cold, which makes me appreciate the soup so much more. All right, on medium-high heat, I am adding bone-in chicken thighs to a large pot. I am not using any oils since it's a non-stick pan. So I'm just browning the chicken and I'm continuing to cook until the onions and garlic become aromatic. Then I added garlic salt, black pepper, onion powder. I'm using the sweet ginger garlic mix that I have on hand. Use what you have on hand, but these are just pretty much the basics. And I'm going to continue to cook. And then I'm adding some water and some chicken base. And here I'm using better than bouillon. Add the chicken base as it starts to simmer. Bring it to a boil, then add the potatoes and carrots and turn the heat down to medium-low. And then I'm going to cover it with a lid and allow the vegetables to soften. Sometimes you'll notice that as the chicken soup is boiling, you'll see white scum visible. Just quickly lower it to a simmer and you can remove the impurities by just taking a spoon like I did and just tossing it out or using a fine meshing tool. Otherwise, it'll dissolve once it's really heated. Once the potatoes are tender enough, turn the heat down to low and add the bok choy. Cover it with the lid for a couple of minutes. Then turn the heat off, allow the soup to cool for a few minutes. And you'll want to serve this over steamed white rice and a side of finadeni, which is Guam's condiment. You can also enjoy this nutritious bowl of soup as is. Look how beautiful this looks. It is so good, comforting, nutritious. It's the perfect meal to any day, really. Friends, I revamped this chicken soup video, so let me know if you prefer them short like this, or if you prefer them longer and more detailed as I've done before. Either way, full recipe will be in the description below. Follow me on Instagram at Reese's Recipes for more easy, fun, and festive dishes. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Many blessings, friends.